Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the system board. Important: make careful note of the placement of the tape on the power button board for later replacement. Remove the tape that partially covers the power button board. Remove the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins, guide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the top cover, and remove. Replacement. Tow the external connectors on the power button board into the cutouts in the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Replace the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Replace the tape that partially covers the power button board. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.